Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your walking options in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the three lines on the top of the page on the right. Then click on the settings button and then click on the trip plan button. And if you scroll down, then just tap on the walk options button. And here you can enable the slow walking pace function, which doubles the time for each walking section of your trip. And you can also set the maximum walking duration, which can be 2, 4, 6 and etc. Minutes. So I will just set for 10 minutes and then just click on the done button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.